Hey there, sleep warriors! I'm so excited to be partnering with Yensum today to share some of my tried and true tips for helping your little ones get the sleep they need. We all know those first few months can feel like a blur of feedings, diaper changes, and let's be honest, not a whole lot of sleep. But trust me, there is light at the end of the tunnel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of newborn naps, how to make them longer, more restful, and dare I say, enjoyable for everyone involved. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe for more newborn sleep tips and parenting advice. We'll be sharing lots more helpful videos like this one. And if you have any nap time tricks that work for your baby, please share your insights in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. All right, let's get started. The first step to encouraging longer naps is creating an environment that practically whispers, "Time to sleep, little one." Think of it as setting the stage for a peaceful slumber. A few simple tweaks can make a world of difference. Let's talk about lighting. Remember how relaxed you feel in a dimly lit room? Babies are no different. Dimming the light signals it's time to wind down. It's like a gentle nudge towards dreamland. Next up, let's tackle noise. My house is never quiet. Babies aren't born into a silent world, but we can minimize sleep-disrupting sounds. White noise machines are a lifesaver. The gentle whooshing sound blocks out distracting noises. Try playing soft lullabies or nature sounds. And last but not least, let's make sure the temperature is just right. A too warm or too cold room can make anyone fussy. Aim for a comfortable temperature between 68 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit. A light sleep sack or swaddle can help regulate your baby's temperature. Now that we've created a sleep-inducing sanctuary, let's talk about timing. You know how frustrating it is when you miss your sleep window and end up feeling overtired and wired? Well, babies are the same way. Learning to read your baby's sleep cues is like unlocking a secret language that tells you exactly when they're ready for a nap. Watch for those telltale signs of tiredness like yawning, rubbing their eyes, or becoming a little fussier than usual. These are your baby's way of saying, "Hey mom and dad, I'm getting sleepy here." The key is to act quickly. As soon as you notice those early sleep cues, swing into action and start your nap routine. Don't wait until your baby is showing obvious signs of overtiredness like crying inconsolably or becoming difficult to settle. By then, it's often much harder to get them to calm down and drift off. Speaking of nap routines, let's talk about the importance of consistency. Just like we thrive on routines, babies do too. A consistent pre-nap ritual signals to your little one that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Keep it simple and soothing. A warm bath, a gentle massage, a quiet story, or singing a lullaby can work wonders. Chapter 3. Finding your baby's sleep groove. Establishing a nap schedule. Let's talk about schedules. I know the word schedule can feel rigid, especially with a tiny human who operates on their own clock. But trust me, a loose nap schedule can make a world of difference. Start by observing your baby's natural sleep patterns. When do they get sleepy naturally? Are there times they're more prone to fussiness? Track their sleep for a few days to notice patterns. Guide their sleep by offering naps around those times. Remember those short awake windows? Newborns need to eat and sleep frequently. Aim for naps every 45 minutes to 1 hour. This helps prevent them from becoming overtired. While schedules are helpful, they're not set in stone. Be flexible and allow room for growth and changes. Stay attuned to their cues and adjust their schedule accordingly. Chapter 4. From catnaps to longer naps, encouraging longer stretches of sleep. So you've created a serene sleep environment, mastered the art of sleep cue decoding, and established a flexible nap schedule. Now let's talk about the holy grail of baby sleep, encouraging those precious longer naps. First and foremost, remember that waking up after a short nap is completely normal, especially for newborns. Their sleep cycles are shorter than ours, so they tend to wake up more easily. But don't despair. There are gentle ways to help them connect those sleep cycles and drift back into a deeper slumber. If your little one wakes up after a short nap, resist the urge to immediately pick them up. Instead, give them a few minutes to see if they can settle back to sleep on their own. You might be surprised at their ability to self-soothe. If they're still fussing, try some gentle soothing techniques like rocking, patting, or holding. These rhythmic motions can be incredibly calming for babies, reminding them of the gentle movements they felt in the womb. And remember, the key to extending those naps is to avoid overstimulation. Keep the environment calm and quiet during nap transitions. Dim the lights, minimize noise, and resist the urge to engage in playful interaction. Outrow sweet dreams ahead, wrapping up our newborn nap tips. Congratulations, sleep warriors! You've made it to the end of our newborn nap masterclass. I hope you feel empowered with a treasure trove of tips and tricks to help your little one, and yourselves, get more restful sleep. Remember, every baby is unique, and what works for one might not work for another. Trust your instincts, be patient, and celebrate those little victories along the way. How do you help your newborn with longer naps? Share your own sleep-saving strategies in the comments below. Let's create a supportive community of well-rested parents. And don't forget to subscribe for more baby sleep tips and parenting resources. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content for families just like yours.